It's all good until it's not. Hello and welcome back. Now let's get started on this 62. I'm gonna start. It had a large amount of body filler here, which you can see it's about 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch of body filler, which is a lot of body filler. That's one of the reasons it was all cracked. But what I'm doing, I'm removing all the body filler so that I can start fresh. Pull this dent out. This is sunken all the way in, so I'm gonna pull this dent out, or welded piece here. I think it's welded, but I'm gonna pull it out as much as possible so I don't have to add that much body filler. I'm gonna be using a wire wheel with my grinder. That's gonna help me to remove everything as quick as possible and not damage the metal. Right here you can see all the cracks, and look at how deep that is. That's a lot of body filler. Alright, and after a couple of hours of grinding, it's time to start pulling that dent right there. Let's go. Let me show you everything that this body filler was hiding. Right there, you can see it all the way up, even inside. One thing, guys, I'm almost done with the body work. I did record every single step. The thing is, my computer broke. We had a lightning storm and it just fried the hard drive and everything was in it. This is the amount of video that I was able to capture. So it's almost done. All I need is just to refine it, and it's ready. But it's not a lot of body work right now. I did pull that dent out and everything is good to go. Let me show it to you up close. Now the entire car has already been sanded. I just need that piece right there, but the entire car has been sanded, ready to go. I need to put some primer on that area right here. Everything's ready. Now, what I was gonna remove the doors, but what I don't want to do is remove it when I'm doing some body work, because all that dust is gonna get inside the car and I don't want that. That's one of the reasons I haven't removed the doors. But now that this is going to be done, I'm going to remove the doors and just finish it out, put some primer here, block it out, and have it ready for that paint. Right there, right now it's 57 degrees and it's cold, so I am not gonna paint when it's cold. It's gonna be cold for the next couple of days. So that's just how it is. All right, and this will be it. Let me see if I can get a computer, see if I can purchase a computer so that I can continue to make these videos, guys. I know you like them, but right now it's a little hard. So let's just hope I can get one. I don't want to be borrowing it and from my neighbors. So I just wanted to do this quick video, so I don't leave you without a video this weekend. All right, thank you. And enjoy that Thanksgiving with your family and friends. So thank you, guys. Okay, I'll see you next coming weekend, hopefully, and like always, God bless.